actually be my favorite way to package marshmallows for gifts. So this is a gusseted bag. So they're inside of a gusseted bag, and this during the holidays, well, all year long, you can find great designer paper that you can use, and this one just happens to have like cocoa on there, so, and then whipped cream at the top, but I'll pretend like it's marshmallows. But I really love this paper, so I'm going to demonstrate to you with you how I made this. So you will need gusset bags. Now what I'm using is a 3 by 6.5 inch gusset bags, and in the resource list you will find where you can purchase these from. So what's great about them is that the gusseted bags, they open up nice and wide to put your marshmallows inside. So I do have a couple of marshmallows left over that we can put inside of there. And then we're gonna cut out the paper. So a nice designer paper will probably be about 12 by 12, and we're going to cut this 10. I'm gonna turn it this way. We're gonna cut this 10. Now this is a paper trimmer. Love, 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 love my paper trimmer. And we're gonna cut this 10 by, let me move over just a little, 10 by 2 7/8. So if you don't have a paper trimmer, you can use a ruler and gauge that 10 by 2 7/8. I can put my paper trimmer away. Then I'm going to fold that directly in half. And you can leave it as is and put it inside of the bag, but I'm going to embellish this just a little bit. So I have 2 hole punches. This is 1.5 and this is a 2-inch hole punch. So I'm going to cut a smaller hole punch. I'm going to use the smaller one to cut a window. And then I'm gonna grab some silver paper and I'm gonna cut a larger punch. And I always turn my punches upside down when I punch. And then out of this circle, I'm going to cut another hole inside of there. And then I'm going to glue this down. And I'm going to glue this down. A whole lot of glue. A little ham on my glue. So now that goes inside of there. One thing with the gusset bags, it doesn't have the closure at the top. So you will need a heat seal in order to make this happen. So I also added on a little tag, a little bit of ribbon, and then I have all these great phrases that I have stickers for, and I love to add those stickers. So, and one other thing is you want to put a little piece of tape like on the bottom of the gusset bag just so that it sits flat. So as you can see with this one, it doesn't sit so flat. So this is just a really fun way. It's one of my favorite ways to present marshmallows for the holidays. If there's any particular packaging that you want to know more about, please let me know in the discussion and I'll get back to you on where and how you can get the certain packaging.